Traditionally, smartwatches haven't been what I'd call great. You have to charge them every day. Companies had to get creative about power management with either a secondary screen or none at all. Some are either fitness watches or luxury, but not both. And even if most claim to help you stay healthy, their fitness services aren't really the best. So when Qualcomm announced that they had a solution to all of my biggest complaints, I was compelled to fly over to San Francisco and check it out. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's talk about the new Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 platform. So in a nutshell, the architecture of how a smartwatch operates was rethought from the ground up. What makes the new 3100 platform special is this tiny little coprocessor that took 2 years to develop. Qualcomm has discovered that the average smartwatch user only interacts with the full capabilities of it for 5% of the time, so the company has developed an alternative for the other 95%. The new coprocessor has the power to make most smartwatch essentials work on its own, and then becomes far more powerful in conjunction with the regular processor. This allows 3 key experiences that we were able to see in a concept design at the event. The first is an enhanced ambient mode powered by the coprocessor. Luxury brands really want their watches to stand out, instead of just showing a dead display. And this isn't just an always-on display that you knew before. We're talking about 16 color options, a smooth second hand, live complications, and even ambient light sensor support to have the screen adapt to the light surrounding it. This means that your watch face will look great regardless of what mode you're in. This also enables a secondary experience which is called traditional watch mode. If your watch were ever to run low on battery, the Wear OS portion of the watch shuts down, but instead of walking around with a dead watch, this allows most of the features of the enhanced ambient mode to work, meaning you'll still get a watch face with hours, seconds, and minutes, and even day complications. At 50% battery, the watch can work for up to a week on this mode, and a crazy 30 days if you decide to go traditional watch mode when fully charged. The third, which launches early next year, is a dedicated sports mode. The coprocessor allows up to 15 hours of fitness activities versus a regular 3 that you get today. This includes using both the GPS and the heart rate sensor at the same time, etc. Another improvement is that OEMs can now provide their own algorithms and applications to customize the fitness experience of using the watch. This opens the door to a new Project Stamina that Qualcomm teased for a major fitness brand to join the platform early next year. Last but not least, Qualcomm affirms its relationship with Google and Wear OS. For the rest of the time that your watch is not idle, you'll be able to access everything the mobile operating system is capable of. I even had a chance to play with the new Wear OS, and I really like what I saw. And then there are other enhancements, like an updated NFC chip that takes advantage of smaller antennas. The power management system has been simplified, the DSP, the sensors, etc. were all redone to be more efficient. Battery life improvements depend on the battery size, display, etc., but the company claims that they can vary between 4 to up to 12 hours, again depending on your hardware. So, when can you get it? Well, the Mont Blanc Summit 2 will be the first in October, with the Fossil Group and even Louis Vuitton following later this year. So yes, this is the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100. I have to admit, I am really excited from the experience that I had with the concept design. I think that smartwatches finally had the break that they needed. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to our channel as well for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.